Ikea keeps releasing a bunch of new products. Last week we covered some of them, but I've missed some of the best ones. So today we're doing a part 2. I'm An, this is Mars, and we've packed some amazing new Ikea finds you just have to see. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. It really means the world to us. Now let's go! We are starting right off with the first new Ikea product, and that is the Lac Console Table. Lac is a well-known collection at Ikea, mainly because of its affordability, and that's the case with this new console table they just released. This large table comes at $99, and it's such a great option for the hallway, dining area, or even behind the sofa. This table comes in 2 color options, but this oak one is my favorite for sure. A dining chair that's new at Ikea this spring is this gorgeous chair made out of solid beechwood and a woven seat. This is such a modern and timeless chair made out of strong hardwood materials that age beautifully and add a natural and warm feel to the room. The seat is made of hand-woven paper cord, which is a comfortable and resistant material used for years in furniture making. This chair comes in 2 colors, black and brown, and they both look beautiful. A product I was so excited to see Ikea finally released is the DYKARKLOCKA Pendant lampshade. This is an epic lampshade that was first released in 1964 and then was called Tivoli. And Ikea decided to re-release it this year, and I'm all for it. I just love this lampshade. It's so retro and brings in natural vibes into the home. The rings make this beautiful effect when lighted up, and it makes a real statement decor out of a light fixture. A part of that same vintage Ikea collection is also the beautiful SJÄLSÖ Armchair. This one is still not released in the US stores, but I found it in the Swedish Ikea and I really wanted us to take a pic. This chair was first released at Ikea in the early 90s and it's such a simple yet beautiful chair. This one is made out of solid birch wood and the seat is made out of linen fabric. Loving it and can't wait to see it in stores. Ikea released so many new table lamps this year, but these 2 I have for you today are my absolute favorites for sure. The first one is this simple LED table lamp. This one is already so popular, I've seen it all over TikTok, and there is a good reason why. It has this minimal yet unusual shape that helps you create a cozy vibe wherever you decided to put it. Plus, it's so easy to place anywhere you want, since it's battery operated, so no cords or plugs are needed. The second one is also a part of that same series, but in this calm minty color. And again, another great way to add some cozy mood lighting into your home at a great price point and with no cords needed. A floor lamp that's new at Ikea this year is this beautiful and budget reading lamp. This floor lamp comes in 2 colors, cream and this grey-green one, and I love both of them. This simple light is another proof that Ikea is one of the best places to shop for lighting at such a great price. This is such a simple and timeless lamp and it comes at only $39, which is amazing. Another interesting new product Ikea just released is this adjustable laptop stand. This stand is such a genius product since it gives you the full experience of those luxe standing tables, but at a great price. This sturdy table is such a flexible and versatile solution that you can use throughout your home for so many different activities. Its height adjusts using a gas spring mechanism, so no cables are attached to it and it's easy to move around to where you need it. Again, just Ikea making our lives easier and more practical at a decent budget. Another new IKEA product this spring is this practical door hanger. This hanger hangs on the top edge of the door, which makes it perfect for the bathrobe, bags, and clothes that aren't quite ready for the laundry basket. And what's even better is that the bamboo knobs are actually made of leftover material from the production of IKEA's famous blendables, which is a fact that is a selling point for me for sure. A dresser that's new at IKEA this spring is this simple 3-drawer chest in white that fits even in the smallest spaces. This one comes at $79.99 and it's perfect to put in a hallway or bedroom. I especially love the leg details. They create a light and airy expression. However, it's suggested to be anchored to the wall to keep it straight upright. New mugs I just fell in love with right away is this set of 2 mugs in this gorgeous green color. I'm absolutely obsessed with these mugs. They look so cute. These mugs make a strong visual impression thanks to the contrasting color scheme and their unique shape, plus the fact that they can be stacked one on top of the other makes it even better. Another simple and budget new product I thought was so interesting was this napkin holder. I just love the shape and the pattern of this napkin holder and I can't wait to get it on my next trip to IKEA. Another new IKEA product I absolutely love is this beautiful bamboo coffee/tea canister. This bamboo box is inspired by Japanese tea traditions and it just looks so nice to display on a worktop or a shelf. Another new product that's on my IKEA shopping list is this cookware kit with a detachable handle. The removable handle is actually so genius. It simplifies daily cooking as well as storage, and it's the perfect solution for smaller kitchens. I've been looking for pans like this for such a long time, since we're campers at heart, and of course IKEA released it right on time for camping season. Another new IKEA find that's perfect for picnics and camping trips is this spork. This spoon and fork in one is just perfect to bring with you on the go. It's lightweight and durable for hiking adventures and excursions, or even for the lunchbox at school or the office. IKEA released a new bin solution this spring, and of course it's so smart and space-saving. This collection consists of 3 different bins that are perfect for sorting different kinds of things. They are stackable and look great at the same time. A new outdoor set I absolutely love is the Furu dining table with chairs and footstools. This set comes at $249, but it's so compact and minimal and will fit even the smallest balconies. I love how simple yet interesting this one looks, plus the footstools are such a smart solution for extra seating. And we're finishing off with 2 new throws that really caught my eye. The first one is this pure cotton throw with bold dots in black and white. This one adds a playful touch to your home, together with the fringe at the ends, which I love in a blanket so much. And the second one is this budget but super soft throw with a funky geometric pattern. I love this one so much, especially the one in blue and green, and I just can't wait to get it on my next trip to IKEA. And that wraps it up for today. Did you like these new IKEA products? Let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. Mine was definitely that laptop stand. It's such a nice product for laptop users such as me. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. By liking, subscribing and commenting, you are helping my channel so much and I'm forever grateful. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Mars! Hey buddy! Are you awake? Can we come over? We're coming anyways. Aren't you the cutest? Oh my god, I want to be a dog. I would love to be you for one day. You're just sleeping and cuddling all day. Oh, you're the best doggo ever. You're the best doggo, you know it? Those ears are just super soft. Say bye to the YouTube family.